Do you want to know how you can use negative prompts on Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use negative prompts on Midjourney. Go ahead and open midjourney.com, log into your account, and you can see the prompt box over here. Let's suppose I want to give a prompt like this: a photo of a white nurse and shoulder taken in front. So the negative prompt is giving the command no. So if you want to give command, you should write with makeup, and if you want to give the negative command, go ahead and write no. So you can see that you can write down no extended eyelashes, and you can click enter, and you can see that your image will be complete and the negative prompt will be applied. So the trick to use negative prompt is to know what you want to add and what you want to remove from the image. So you can see that I have asked for Midjourney to remove the makeup and the extended eyelashes. So you will not get a result with extended eyelashes and makeup. You can click on your image and you can see that it has created a perfectly good image and perfectly good art as you asked. So this is how you write down negative prompts on Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.